with my glasses.
Mami, tienes la camisa al revés.
Which one?
No sé si te
This one?
La grande.
No way, no, it's fine. I'll change it
Okay.
later. It's too late.
late.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eliana. I am sure many of you have suffered with having frizzy hair. So I actually live in Florida, which I'm sure you're aware the humidity here is ridiculous. You walk outside of your door and it just slaps you in the face. So my hair is naturally kind of like wavy or curly, but it is really, really frizzy. So I've tried so many times to go to salons, and I have actually done the keratin treatment professionally, and it does work, but I feel like it damaged my hair a lot after doing it, like after the effects go away. So I started looking up different options that I could do, and I found something called Cirugía Capilar, which just means hair surgery in English. So I found a product online through Amazon that is a chocolate, like a chocolate treatment version of the keratin. So it's a lot less harmful for your hair. It's a lot smoother, but it actually straightens your hair, it smooths it, and then it also hydrates it. So I bought it online to see if it would actually work, and I did it here at my house. Well, actually, I did it at my parents' house. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it. This was the first time I've ever done it. Right now, I actually already have the product on, but my hair is super, super, super straight, and it's very hydrated, very shiny, and it looks really healthy. I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to do it from the beginning all the way to the end, and then I'm also gonna talk about some care instructions that you guys have to make sure you do so that the treatment actually lasts into your hair. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the products that we're gonna be using today, and my mom is actually helping me, so I'm gonna introduce you guys my mom.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
Before I jump right into showing you guys which treatment we use, please don't forget to click the subscribe button so you guys stay tuned to every time I post some new videos. She's gonna be literally in the video doing everything to my hair, but it's super easy, and we're gonna walk you through the steps. This is the product that we purchased on Amazon, and it's called Perfect Bliss Pre-Treatment. So this is the shampoo, and then this is the actual keratin treatment. But it smells really good, right?
It's very, really good.
Honestly,
Chocolate.
it smells like chocolate. It smells so yummy. It only irritated my eyes like very slightly, right?
Just a little bit at the beginning.
Yeah, it was so little. And we had masks on, and we ended up just like taking them off because it honestly didn't really, there was no fumes. I did do it outside just to be careful. So like, I think the wind definitely helps. So I would recommend doing it outside. But it was awesome, super easy to use. So this product is actually recommended for like afro type hair. So there is another version that's for like more normal hair, but we wanted like the strongest one. So this is the one that we used. So
Even if we don't have afro. Though.
Yeah, even if we don't have afro hair, I feel like this is the best one, and it was so easy to use. Like, I would really recommend it. Mommy, how much money did you spend doing your keratin treatments? Like every couple months?
Every time I go to the salon to do the keratin, like every 3 or 4 months, I spend like almost $300.
That's a lot of money, guys. And same for me. Like, without the tip as a hairdresser, it was like $300 plus tip, probably $350 that I would spend on my hair, and it lasts like maybe 5 months, 6 months. So both of these cost $50. So it's so affordable. Keep watching, and if you made it this far in the video, give my video a thumbs up. Okay, so here my mom is just separating my hair into sections. It's really important to separate your hair into sections so that you can put as much product as possible into each section of your hair. Make sure it's evenly spread and that every single strand has a lot of the product and that it's soaked in. You don't want to put an excessive amount because remember, you are going to have to blow dry your hair with the product, but you want to make sure that every single strand is covered and has an even amount of product in there. You see that my mom is kind of like rubbing in the product as she puts it in, just to make sure it's every single strand is evenly coated. Second step is to blow dry your hair. Again, you're going to want to section your hair off You want to make sure the blow dryer is on the highest setting, as well as to use a round brush just to make sure that your hair, when you blow dry it, is very, very straight. And also you want to have the highest setting because you want to make sure that all your hair is completely dry and that the product is also completely soaked into the hair cuticle and the strands. So you just want to make sure you keep passing it over and over until the product is gone. Third step is to straighten your hair with a flat iron. You want to again section your hair off in small sections. I would recommend using the heat setting that you normally use to straighten your hair every day, just to be safe and make sure that it's going to be a safe temperature for your hair. Again, section it off. You might see some smoke come off as you're ironing your hair. That's normal. It's because that there is product in your hair, and that's just the product kind of precipitating away with the heat. But again, you just want to make sure you pass it along the hair very slowly, just to make sure every single section of your hair is straight. There's no bumps or anything like that. And make sure you really, really focus on this section and make sure you get every strand of hair. So you have to use sulfate-free shampoo, no salts, no sulfates. And I would keep the product in your hair, what?
For 4 days.
4 days if possible.
Not washing your hair, and then if you can iron a little bit every morning or
iron it every day.
So it will penetrate more in the
cuticle.
hair. Yeah.
Yeah. No ponytails, no clips or anything like that. So I go to the gym a lot. So this is the worst part for me because I feel like I have to just like put my hair back and work out. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do like cardio,
no, because if you put something like that, it will mark your hair. So it's better to keep it straight and keep straightening it every day a little bit. So the product will penetrate more and it stay longer in your hair. For 4 days only.
4 days, it's
then
not that bad.
You can have your normal life and a beautiful hair.
Exactly. But I'm so excited, guys. This is incredible. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned every week for new videos. Bye.
Bye.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.